Poland is taking a decisive step to bolster its defense. The government has signed an agreement with domestic companies to manufacture critical explosives and ammunition components, marking the start of a new era in self-reliance. With lessons from the war in Ukraine fresh in mind, Poland is positioning itself as a leader in Europe's defense strategy, ensuring it's ready for any future conflict. Let's dive into the details of this agreement, why it's crucial, and what it means for Poland, NATO, and the security of the region. Poland's agreement, announced on Monday, is a critical first step toward establishing a self-reliant ammunition production ecosystem. The deal involves state-owned companies such as Grupa Azoty, Polish Armaments Group, PGZ, and Mesko, which are set to collaborate on building facilities for manufacturing nitrocellulose and multi-base powders. These components are essential for producing ammunition used in modern weaponry. This move addresses a critical vulnerability in Poland's defense industry. Currently, the country imports explosives from nations such as Germany, the Czech Republic, France, and Finland. While this reliance on foreign suppliers has met immediate needs, it exposes Poland to supply chain risks during times of heightened conflict or geopolitical tensions. Poland's defense minister, Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz, has emphasized the importance of this step, stating that access to ammunition is fundamental to national security. The agreement reflects Poland's recognition of the lessons from the ongoing war in Ukraine, where uninterrupted access to ammunition has proven vital in sustaining defensive operations. This agreement is part of a broader initiative by Poland to bolster its military capabilities. Earlier this month, the Polish government announced plans to invest 3 billion zlotys, or approximately $750 million, into boosting ammunition production. This investment underscores the urgency Poland attaches to enhancing its defensive posture, particularly as the war in Ukraine continues to reshape the region's security dynamics. Since the onset of Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022, Poland has emerged as one of NATO's most active members in addressing potential threats. From increasing defense spending to modernizing its armed forces, Poland is preparing for scenarios that were once considered unlikely but are now viewed as plausible. Board members from the Polish Armaments Group have highlighted the necessity of producing 100 artillery rounds domestically. These munitions, essential for modern artillery systems, are critical to ensuring Poland's readiness in the event of a conflict involving NATO. The war in Ukraine has provided valuable lessons about the importance of ammunition stockpiles and domestic production capabilities. In prolonged conflicts, securing a steady supply of ammunition becomes a decisive factor in sustaining military operations. Poland's decision to rebuild its ammunition production capabilities reflects these hard-learned lessons. Poland's defense minister highlighted this point, stating, "No one observing the war in Ukraine or other conflicts around the world can doubt the importance of having large amounts of ammunition for modern weapons." This statement encapsulates the growing recognition among European nations that supply chain security is a cornerstone of national defense. Ukraine's experience has demonstrated how reliance on external suppliers can be both a strength and a vulnerability. While international aid has been crucial, self-reliance in critical defense infrastructure offers strategic advantages in emergencies. Poland's move to enhance its ammunition production capabilities also holds broader implications for European security. As a NATO member, Poland is not just securing its own borders, but also contributing to the alliance's collective defense strategy. By establishing domestic production facilities, Poland strengthens NATO's supply chain resilience in a region where tensions with Russia remain high. This development could also encourage other European nations to assess their own vulnerabilities in defense production. Countries like Germany and France have already ramped up their military investments, and Poland's actions may inspire similar initiatives across the continent. Moreover, Poland's proactive stance reinforces its role as a leader in Eastern Europe's defense landscape. By investing heavily in domestic capabilities, Poland is signaling its readiness to confront potential threats and serve as a reliable partner within NATO. While the agreement marks a significant step forward, challenges remain. Building an industrial base for manufacturing explosives and ammunition requires time, resources, and expertise. The collaboration between Grupa Azoty, PGZ, and MESCO will need to navigate technological, logistical, and regulatory hurdles to establish a fully operational production facility. Additionally, Poland must balance its immediate need for imported munitions with its long-term goal of domestic production. The transition from dependency to self-reliance will require careful coordination to ensure there are no gaps in supply during critical periods. Despite these challenges, Poland's commitment to enhancing its defense infrastructure is a testament to its strategic foresight in an increasingly volatile geopolitical environment. Poland's decision to partner with domestic companies to manufacture explosives is more than just a defense initiative. It's a strategic investment in the nation's future security. By rebuilding its ammunition production capabilities, Poland is addressing vulnerabilities exposed by the ongoing war in Ukraine and preparing itself for an uncertain future. As tensions in Eastern Europe remain high, Poland's proactive measures serve as a reminder that self-reliance in defense is not just a goal, but a necessity. This move strengthens Poland's position within NATO, reinforces its leadership in the region, and sends a clear message about its readiness to confront potential threats. Thank you for watching Conflict Chronicles. If you found this update insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth coverage of global defense developments. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.